What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 weighted vests according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Best overall, ZFOsports. This weighted vest from ZFOsports is our best overall pick. From durability to exceptional design and comfort, it can do it all. It's an excellent option for men, and featuring adjustable straps, it can also be used for women or teens as well. It comes in maximum weights of 30, 40, 60, or 80 pounds, while all are adjustable in 3.8 pound increments. And in addition to these, you will also get enough pockets to conveniently hold your phone, keys, and even a water bottle. Best budget, ProsourceFit. Next, if you're looking for an affordable weighted vest, then this is for you. This vest is for men and women to have the best experience. Featuring top and bottom buckles, it is adjustable to fit most heights and body types comfortably. And coming made of durable and soft neoprene, it is breathable and comfortable to wear for long periods, and is also designed to last even through the most intensive training or workouts like cross-training, weightlifting, running, or sports drills. Its mesh back pocket inclusion is a nice feature, as you can use it to stash your phone. Another bonus is its reflective strips on the front and back, which are helpful for workouts in low light conditions. Best for walking, Zealous. This is a strength training weight vest that is best to last with durable neoprene rubber fabric, double stitching, and weighted with iron sand for extreme durability through hundreds of different workouts. Made with cushioned shoulder straps and gentle non-chafing fabrics, you can take your fitness journey with ease and comfort. Featuring adjustable elastic straps and reflective stripes means it will help you go any place at any time. It includes detachable front zipper pockets to keep your cell phone, car keys, and other items safe and secure, while its rear elastic mesh pocket offers for extra convenience. Finally, in addition to these features, it also comes evenly filled with iron sand, helping this well-balanced vest to decrease the injury risk while working out. Best for beginner, Tone Fitness. Now, if you're a beginner in this, then we suggest the most fitted Tone Fitness weighted vest for you. It comes in a streamlined design, making it great for walking and body weight workouts. And when it comes to its materials, it uses a soft neoprene material that is flexible and breathable. In addition to these, it also features an adjustable front strap that will allow for a comfortable and secure fit. With a fixed weight of 12 pounds, it's perfect for beginners looking to build strength and fitness. Another great thing about this Tone Fitness weighted vest is that it can be used in just about any environment. So whether you wear it during your regular exercise routine or just around the house, you'll be amazed at the benefits of adding some extra resistance. Best for hiking, Aduro Sport. This is a lightweight and affordable vest that's designed for hiking and other cardio activities like running and walking. It adds extra resistance evenly to body weights, so it will not slip and slide during any activities. And due to its compact size, along with the evenly distributed weight, you can get optimal comfort and a good range of motion. With an adjustable front belt and padded shoulder straps, it is designed for men, women, or kids. And another worth mentioning feature of this vest is its inclusion of the convenient mesh pocket on the back for storage. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.